Hello friends. So here we are continuing with our speed multiplication ideas. There are so many tricks that you can use for multiplying one number to another. Depending on the application, you choose whatever trick suits you. We have already discussed base 10 method, base 100 method, choosing your own method. Now here is one trick that you can use when you find two numbers that are ending in 5. Both the numbers are same and both are ending in 5. So if you come across any such situation, you can straight away answer it, and this trick you will find the easiest and quickest. It will take you just 5 seconds. How long will it take you? 3 seconds to do it. So it is a fun exercise, and when we say who can do it, even a grade 1 kid can do it. Anybody can do it. The trick is very simple. You can call it multiplication because one number is being multiplied with another one. Second, this kind of multiplication is also called squaring. Because why it is called squaring is because imagine you have a square. The dimension of this square, one side of this square is 95 units. The another side of the square is 95 units. Now you would say, this is a class that belongs to higher level. It doesn't belong to grade 1, grade 2. What grade 1, grade 2 kids can't do it. They will do it right now. You want to know the square area. What is the area? I have to carpet this room. It is a square room measuring 95 units length, 95 units wide. How? And the carpet is sold by the square meters. This is 95 meters, this is 90. How much I should buy? You should buy 95 multiply 95 square meters. Okay, fine. But how do you multiply? You need a calculator to do it, right? But if I say you can tell immediately without using a calculator, would not you be happy? Of course, yes. So simply when you find 95, look for not the calculator, but look for the next number from 9, that is 10. Next number from 9 could be 9.1, 9.2, 9.5, but we are looking for a natural number. So after 9 what comes? 10. 10 is the natural number. So simply do two things. One, multiply this. There are two numbers. Let us call it x, let us call it y. So whatever is there in the 10th place, you multiply it with next natural number, right? And after right, 25. So you 9 multiply 10. You write 9 multiply 10 here, and here you write 5 multiply 25. Here you write 25, and here you write 90. 90 comes because 9 into 10. 9025 is the answer. Can you kindly check it?
Yes, it's 925.
So the calculator is working well. Now here the same thing. Here you will multiply 6 to its next natural number right here, and here you will write 5 into 5. So 6 sevens are 42. 25 is the answer. Here you will write 5, multiply next natural number, and here you will write 5 into 5. They should be side by side. There is no other interaction. 5 you multiply with next natural number, the answer would be 3, 0, write 25. This is all it is going to take. This is the quickest method and the easiest one. So when you multiply 4, you will write 4 multiply 5, and here you will multiply 5 multiply 5. 4 5s are 20, and simply write 25. Here 7 you multiply with 8 and write 5 multiply 5. 7 8s are 56, 25. 8 you multiply with next number, that is 9, you write 72. Here you write 5 multiply 5, and write side by side. There is no other interaction taking place here. When you have to multiply 35 to 35, write 3 multiply 4, the very next natural number. 3 4s are 12, and write 25 after that. 25 multiply 25. So you simply multiply 2 to next natural number, that is 3. 2 3s are 6 and 25, that is the answer. 15 into 15. So 1 multiply 5 and 5 multiply 5. Oh sorry, 1 multiply 2. 1 multiply next number, that is 2, and 5 25. That is all you need. So this is a very quick, very easy calculation, anybody can do. You will do this exercise with Shashwat later on in the video. The applications. When you see, the applications are plenty for this, particularly in geometry, wherever you have to calculate the square of the area of the square. Also, it will find many applications in Pythagoras theorem.
Hi! Now let's do some revision, or what you can say, revision, okay? So let's do some practice, I should say it better. So now it's high time to do these questions. Now see, now 95 as we done before. 9025. This question I will do the answer 7225. This I will do the answer.
But you can at least say ki multiply with what?
Oh yes, I can at least see that. So see, this 8, I have to multiply by the next natural number, and then write it down, and then 5 multiply 5, write it down, 25. So now I forgot. 7, what is 7 multiply 8? Oh, Punky. Again, the 7 double is 14. 14 double is 28, and 28 double is 56. Now 5, 6, 2, 5. Ouch. Now 6 I will multiply by 7. What is 6 multiplied by 7? I forgot. 6 multiplied by 7. 7 multiply, oh yes, 7 multiply 2, and then 7 multiply 3, that's also 2. So now 7 multiply 3 I will do first. So 7 multiply 3 is equal to 21, 21 double is 42. Actually, I just multiply 7 by 7 and then minus 7.
Okay.
Anyway, so 4225.
Many a times people don't believe me when I say you need not to remember your tables and still do the question. You have still done this question without remembering your table.
Okay.
That's fine. If you can remember your tables, there is no harm. You
Yes,
do that.
there is no
If you
harm.
like doing that, do that. You remember names of all the tallest buildings in the world, name of all the presidents, name of everything that Google has in their server. You remember everything. It is not burdening my head. You remember anything, but
You know,
my job is to give you ideas, not to remember.
Yes.
But if you choose to remember,
then
very
choose
welcome to
remember.
it.
Okay, now 55. I will write 5 multiply 6, 3, 0, 2, 5. Oh wait, let me write it a bit smaller. Okay.
But tell students what you are multiplying.
Okay, so
5
now
multiply 6.
5 multiply 6,
Okay.
30 and then 25.
And this one, next.
Now, what 4 I will multiply by the next natural number. That is 20 and 25. 20 and then 5 multiply 5, that's equal to 25. Let me try to do this orally. Okay, I will try to do this.
Shall I write? You just spell out, I will write.
Okay, so I will first do 3 multiply 4 and then for 5 multiply 5.
I just need the answer.
Oh, you just need the answer, you don't need that? Okay, so the answer is 1225. And I will write down the answer here.
Next.
6225. sorry, 6225. No. 6225. And this answer is after speaking every question. Ding, ding. Bye. First two questions we will do from the conventional method that everybody knows, that is crisscross, and these two questions we will do. This we will do from the new method. This we will do from the conventional, and this from the convention too. So now let's start from here, from the conventional way that everybody does. See, conventional way is simple. Like you take 50 base. I will clean this up so you don't get confused. Okay, so I will take 50 base. Okay, 50 base, how far it is? It is 55. Okay, so now 55 multiply 50. Okay, so now what will we do? I will write. Give me another pen. So now we will write plus 5, and I will write here plus 5 and plus 5. Okay, so this is done. This and this. Now we add this. What comes? 60, isn't it? 60. And I'll draw a line here as we do usually. So now this 5 will multiply and come 25. Everybody knows it. And then we multiply 60 by 5. What's 60 multiply 5? Once again, 6. Guys, I'm using calculator here. 16. What's that? 60 multiplied by 5. Okay. So 300. So 300. And 25 comes down here, and this will come 25. So 3025, isn't it? Can you calculate for me, please? Now this is the conventional method, and this will also work at the same method, but now the
Calculator is working fine.
Okay, guys. So now this method and this method is crisscross 75. Oh, let's choose this easier one because no, that this line I will do later, like chicka boom, like this. Okay, like I will do it this one fast, and here I will explain. Okay, so now 75 multiply 75. What's here? So now we are going to come 75 multiply 75 multiply 75. Let me write it in a more familiar way. Okay, let me rub my bottom calculations because I need some space. Okay, so now I write here 5 and I've made a line here. Okay, guys, now right here crisscross we will do right here, like 5 multiply 5, 25. Take 5.
Give me.
You didn't get?
I have 2.
Take 5 from here. No, take 2 from here. Take this 2. And you take this 2. In your finger. So now. I will do this and this. 5 multiply 7. What's it? 5 multiply 7 is equal to 35. And we will gonna add this. Because this also equals to 35 and this also equals to 35. Is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 60. And comes 70. And then paste it here while waiting. And I will write here 2 and take 7. And there you go. Take 7. So now guys, I will do these and these. 7 multiply 7. Oh, it's getting tricky here. So that's why in these tricky questions we will use my method too. So see here, That's right. See here, it gets so complex. You know, you now need to know the table of 7. Like he didn't know the table of 7, so we're gonna do it. So now 7 multiplies 7. If you guys don't know, is 49, and paste 7 here. And 49. Now I will write 49 plus 7. So I will donate 1 here and make it 50. So 50 plus 6.
It's pretty complex. 75 multiply 75
Is equal.
5625. Calculator is working good.
Righto.
But crisscross is still taking time. Base 10 method is still taking time.
Now,
Is there any third way to do this?
sure there is.
What is the third way?
There is actually one more way. That
Is
is
it?
the calculator. See, there are 2 more ways. One is the calculator, and one I'm going to show you here. Let's do it. Right here on the board. So I am simply going to write it down here. Now, this method is simple. I'm going to tell you. See, this 95 you multiply by the next natural number. Okay. See, some comes like fractions, some comes like decimals, but these numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will write simply here, and I'm going to put this picture. Okay, so now this one I will write directly, like numerals are not also 0, huh? And write like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are actually called the natural numbers. These numbers actually exist. You can see those numbers, like 1, your nose is 1, and there are 2 nostrils, 2 comes. You have 2 eyes, 2 eyebrows, 2 eyelash, I don't know what you call them, and you have infinite amount of hair. We're not going to count here. 2 ears and 2 legs.
Yes.
And the most thing which everybody use, that is hand. Then if you don't have hand, then how can my cameraman hold the camera? Okay, let's do here now. So there are 2 hands. If you don't trust me, count, no problem. And this. Now let's come to the method here. Now we're going to multiply 9 by 10.
Why 10?
Oh, 9 by 100. Sorry.
9 by 100?
See,
Why 100?
9 by the next number means the next natural number. That is.
What is the next natural number after
10?
10? Okay, 10. Can I multiply with 9.1?
No.
Can I multiply with 9.5?
Nope.
Can I multiply with 9.5?
Nope.
Okay. Because these are not natural numbers? Okay. So next natural number is 10. So I multiply 9 to 10. Okay.
A blip. So 5. But before all the calculations we do, okay. So first let's multiply 9 by 10. So it becomes 90. Simple. And then 25 comes here. 20.
That's all.
That's all. 90
Let
to
me
5.
check. I will check it. How it cannot be this easy.
Ouch.
95 multiply 95 is equal to 9025. My calculator is working good. 9025 is the answer. Next.
Really?
It is 3 second job.
Working good.
Even less than 3 seconds.
Now let's do this with our method. No, let's try this with our method. I'm going to go zigzag like this. Okay. Now, right, here we go. Now actually I'm going to delete the ones that I've already completed, so it doesn't, I can create space here to do my other multiplication. Careful. Now what we're gonna do, like if you want to square this, you will use the same method because I've told you. Now again, you write 85. Now 8. We multiply 8 by the next natural number.
Next natural number is 9. 8 9s are 9 8s are, I know.
72.
Yes.
7 2 2 5. How this method is working now, I will tell you. See, 5 and 5, I have wrote 25 in my brain.
Okay.
Now I will write 8. Now I will. Now I will. Now I'm going to write 8. 72 here. Wow, my pen got. What did you do? Fun things happens. Open. Now 72 comes here. 72. Simple. Now you write 72 here. I wrote in a sketchy manner. Let me write it cleanly. 25 and 72. Now what I do is just shift the places. There you go, you get the answer. Can you calculate it and see if the calculator is right?
Already checked. Already checked. Calculator is working good.
Copy. Now, what we're gonna do here is now 75. See here. We have 75 here. Now simply 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. We will come here. Now, simply, now this will obviously will be, multiplied by the next natural number. Keep this in mind. I'm always saying natural. So let's do this mental math. Yes, no, nobody told that, but actually this is mental math. And now what we're gonna do here is that this question I will just write 8. Now this is a little, see, it would seem a little tricky, but it is not that tricky. Like, see, 8 multiplies 7.
I don't know the table of 8. I don't know the table of 7. But
How
I
do
know
you-
the table of 2.
Oh, that's a good thing, you know the table of 2. So
7
now,
2s are, I know.
7 2s are, you know. 7 2s are, tell me then.
14.
2s are.
14 2s are 28.
2s are.
28 2s are 56.
Exactly, and that's the answer here.
Ah!
5 6 2 5.
Instant answer.
5 6 2 5. There you go.
Let me check if the calculator is working fine.
Oh, it's working
Calculator
fine.
is working good.
Again, now we're going to do this question. Guys, this question is like a kind of easy. So let me do this fast. Let me try to do this fast. Okay. So
Directly write the answer.
okay. So just a sec. Let me rub this.
I know when you are rubbing, you are thinking about the question.
Nope.
I know the idea. This is all mathematicians do.
Okay.
They would-
I am going to not look at the board. But I am not even thinking it. Trust me, I'm not thinking. Now I start thinking now. Oh, wow, what's 6 multiplied by 7? I don't know. Okay, this is 6 multiplied 7, so it will take me a little time. So let's try to do this one, okay?
Okay.
Now, this is the answer, 3025. Can you check the answer if it is correct? Calculator is working fine.
3025. Can you also calculate this one very fast?
Easy.
Instant?
Yes.
45 multiplied 40.
2025. I couldn't even write that fast. 2025 is the answer.
Yes, calculator is working wild.
Oh. Yeah. Now I've got the skill how to do it.
7, double, 7 3 times.
7 3 times is equal to, first I will do 7 3 times. I will not do 2 times first, and then I will do 2 times and then do 3 times. It will be more tricky. So 7 multiplied 3, everybody knows, 21. And
Double of 21, I can tell you.
41. Oh, 42, sorry. 4224.
4224.
Yes.
Tang! Wrong.
Then
4224.
Then throw the calculator into the garbage. 1 second.
4224.
4225. Sorry.
Calculator is working all right.
Beep, 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 beep. So now for the end, let's all wrap it up. So I'm going to erase all this and I'm going to explain you right here. 35 multiply 35. So our answer is, wait 1 second. Guys, this question I will try to do mentally. Okay guys, so answer of the first question I will say. 1 second. Guys, here let me tell you, like if 4 comes and these all comes, like here you will face the problem. I didn't want to say, but I have to say. See, if you have a problem occurred like this, what do you do? Like you have 3 multiply 4 and you forgot the table of 3 and 4. What do you do? Just double and it comes 12. So 12025 is the answer. 12125.
Calculator is working fine.
So again right here, like 25 multiply 25, just a sec, let me calculate it right now. And 1 2 3, I have started calculating now. 6225.
Wrong.
Okay.
Calculator is not working right.
Okay, 1 second. Let me do it again. I would have problem in here. 1 second. Now guys, I have right now observed that I have done a big stupidity here. See, 3. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, now it's working. Now see, 3, I will 3 multiply 2 equal to 6. Okay, now is equal to 6. Then I will write 025.
Why 025?
Because
No. There won't be any 0. 625.
oh yeah, 625. Sorry, I said 6025. Okay, so now
15.
15
multiply 15.
It's not that thing that 225. Just take the answer.
Calculator is working okay.
Bye. Ouch. Bye. Bye. Bye.